In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email signature in Pipedrive CRM. A well-built signature adds polish to every message you send, reinforces your brand, and makes it easy for contacts to find the right ways to reach you. We'll walk through where to find the setting in Pipedrive and how to craft a clear, professional signature that works across devices. Start by opening Pipedrive and looking to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile avatar or initials to open the account menu. From there, choose Personal Preferences. This area controls how Pipedrive behaves for your user, including email features. Inside Personal Preferences, find and open Email Sync in the left-hand menu. This is the hub for your connected email accounts and where the signature lives. If you manage more than one email address, glance at the account shown at the top of the page so you're editing the correct one. On the Email Sync page, locate the Signature section and click Add Signature. This opens Pipedrive's signature editor. Now it's time to edit it. Type your core details clearly, your full name, role, and company name. Then add helpful links such as your website or a booking page. Keep it concise and scannable. 2 to 4 short lines usually look cleaner than a long block of text. Use the editor's formatting tools to add hierarchy without overdoing it. Simple separators like a dash or a vertical bar can create visual structure. Stick to standard, easy-to-read fonts and a limited color palette that matches your brand. If you include a logo or small icon, ensure it's lightweight and displays crisply at a small size. Oversized images can trigger spam filters or look awkward on mobile. Convert any long URLs into descriptive hyperlinks so the signature stays tidy. Avoid embedding sensitive personal details and skip large attachments. If your organization requires a compliance or confidentiality note, keep it short and place it beneath your main contact block. As you refine the layout, preview how it looks with line breaks and spacing. Aim for something that still reads well in plain text, since not all recipients see rich formatting the same way. When you're happy with it, close the editor. Your signature will now be available to your Pipedrive email composer and can be inserted automatically when you write new messages. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to Personal Preferences, opened Email Sync, clicked Add Signature, and edited a professional, on-brand email signature. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added polish on every email you send from Pipedrive.